ang apo ni Mao Zedong na si Mao Ning, spokesperson ng China's Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Nagbanta na naman sa Pilipinas. Let me stress again that by bringing this strategic offensive weapon in this part of the world, the Philippines is essentially creating tensions and antagonism in the region and inciting geopolitical confrontation and an arms race. This is a highly dangerous move and an extremely irresponsible choice for its own people, the people of the other Southeast Asian countries and regional security. Sinagot naman siya ni Presidente Marcos, bakit kayo nakikialam sa amin? Umalis na kayo dyan sa West Philippine Sea at huwag nyong water cannon ang aming mga Coast Guard. Huwag kayong mang LRAD. Ibalik nyo ang mga kinamkam nyong mga isla at ginawang military base. Babalik ko sa Amerika ang Typhoon missile. Kung hindi, dadagdagan pa namin ang mga BrahMos. Depensa para hindi kami maging sitting duck target ninyo. Tinuoto-oto nyo kami. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng. Comment, like, and share. And thank you for watching.